It's a foggy afternoon, everyone. We are here at Trans Central Highway, the road that connects the city capital of Cebu, the Cebu City in the eastbound, and to the other side, to the west, to the town of Balamban, Cebu. It's about, I think, 33 or more or less 33 kilometers long along the mountain road. Fog is everywhere. The visibility is not good, so please drive carefully, everyone. Drive safely. Thank you.